Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in today's video, we're going to learn how you can set up business hours in Calilio. First, on the left-hand side, click on the drop-down arrow for numbers, and hover over an owned number and click on the three-dotted line. Then, hit Number Settings. Once on this page, scroll down below to Business Hours. Toggle on the Business Hours button to enable the feature. Here, you can set up the time zone for your business and manage schedules for each day of the week, including Saturday. You can change the timings for each day individually. Here, you can also set up an after-hour voicemail to reach your clients and inform them outside of business hours. You can either record a voicemail at the spot or select an audio that's pre-recorded from your computer files. After you've made the changes as per your preference, you can simply click on Save to apply these changes to your communication platform. And that's it for business hours. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And follow us for more Calilio content. Thanks for watching.